What's going on, guys? This is Green Wolf, and this is an issue that I was dealing with my pass-through for PlayStation 5. I have an Elgato HD 60X, and it wasn't allowing my display or my OBS or Streamlabs Studio to get any signal. So this is how I fix that. So first off, to fix the OBS or Streamlabs Studio not getting any signal, I went to Settings, and then I went to System and down to HDMI, and then I went down to enable HDCP. So what this does is it makes it to where you can't stream certain apps. A lot of apps and games on PlayStation 5 use it. So once you turn this off, it should allow your Elgato to pick up a signal, and so you can put it on your Streamlabs or put it on your OBS Studio or what have you. Um, Once you turn this off, though, you won't be able to use things like Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus because they do this to make it to where you can't just broadcast or record anything off of their network. So once you want to use those again, you want to just go back and turn this back on. But for streaming purposes and recording purposes, go ahead and turn this off, and this should allow your Streamlabs or OBS to have a signal from your PS5. Uh, so what I did about the display monitor or whatever you're using to actually play the game on, uh, for that to have a display, I had to go back to screen and video. Had to go over on video output, and I had to go down to HDR. This basically increases the quality of your video, makes it look a little bit better. This was stopping my display from showing a picture though. So what I did was I went ahead and turned that off, and that it popped right up. After that, it refreshed a little bit and popped right up. So now my display on my Streamlabs and my display on my actual monitor or TV is showing a picture because I turned those two things off. Now, a third option, if those two things don't fix it, and it should, but if that doesn't fix it, you want to go down to the bottom where it says enable 120 hertz output. And it says right there that the video output for games is support 120 hertz frame rate. It'll show those, but if you experience video output problems with these games, you can turn off this setting and it would just allow your games to play normally. But man, I appreciate y'all coming in and looking at this video. Hopefully one of those three options fixes your issue. The first two fixed my issue. Uh, like, follow, and subscribe. I do make gaming videos and I do stream online on Twitch and Facebook. I would love your support. If you like this video and it fixed your issue, please like and follow. Y'all have a good one.